Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So as you can see, for me, I am already connected to the Wi-Fi, but if I want to disable it, I just have to press these three icons over here and then select the Wi-Fi icon right like that, and this disables my Wi-Fi connection. But to enable my Wi-Fi once again, I just have to press this icon again, and this will switch my Wi-Fi on the laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.